Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Strongback chairs are probably one of the most versatile and comfortable seating solutions you can find for outdoor adventures, camping trips, or even just relaxing in your backyard, offering unparalleled ergonomic support that promotes better posture and reduces back strain, making them a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time sitting outdoors. Number 5. Strongback Folding Patio Chair. Introducing a revolutionary patio chair designed for ultimate comfort. Its patented ergonomic design actively supports your back, promoting good posture and reducing strain so you can relax outdoors without discomfort. Experience unparalleled comfort with its extra plush cushions, upholstered in soft, durable olefin fabric. This premium material resists fading, stains, and wear, ensuring it looks great and feels amazing for years to come. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust magnesium alloy frame, capable of supporting up to 300 pounds. The spacious 21-inch seat provides ample room for relaxation, offering a stable and upgraded seating experience. Enhance your outdoor living areas with its elegant design. Perfect for your terrace, balcony, patio, or poolside, it's ideal for sharing moments with friends and family. Designed with your well-being in mind, it features an ergonomic seat that prevents leg pinch and aligns your hips and back. This ensures maximum comfort and relaxation, allowing you to fully enjoy your leisure time. What we like. Experience unparalleled back support with its patented ergonomic design, perfect for those who suffer from back pain. The plush olefin cushions offer luxurious comfort for extended seating. If you prioritize back health and comfort during long periods of sitting outdoors, this is the chair for you. What people say. It is well constructed, attractive, and I can tell will have a long lifetime expectancy. The price point was reasonable when compared to similar folding chairs, and I was pleasantly surprised when I took it out of the box to show how sturdy it is. Such a solid patio chair with lumbar support. I can't believe it took me so long to find a comfy chair for the lanai. The seat is nice and wide so my small dog can actually sit next to me. Very sturdy materials and design structure with good lumbar back support. Simply folds open. Glad it's good for indoor or outdoor conditions. Also, the textured armrests are horizontal and very stable, which will help provide leverage to more easily get up out of the chair too. Number 4. Strongback Upgraded Camping Chair Cup Holder and Pocket. Keep your favorite drinks secure and spill-free with our upgraded holder. It's designed to fit various beverage sizes, ensuring your drink is always easily accessible for ultimate relaxation. Enjoy convenient access to your essentials like your phone, keys, or sunglasses. This accessory features a durable pocket with a secure closure to keep your belongings safe and sound. Constructed with durability in mind, this accessory features a sturdy attachment system. Its adjustable design ensures a snug and stable fit on your favorite chair's armrest. Setting up this handy addition is incredibly simple. Attach it to your chair's armrest without any tools, and just as easily remove it for compact storage when not in use. Transform your folding chair into the ultimate comfort station. Keep your drink and essentials within arm's reach, allowing you to enjoy hands-free relaxation at any outdoor event. What we like. This accessory transforms your existing chair into a more functional seating solution. With an upgraded cup holder and a spacious storage pocket, all your essentials are within reach. If you're looking to add convenience and organization to your camping or lounging experience without buying a new chair, this is a great option. What people say. Keep your phone, remote control, etc. organized and by your side. This additional pocket and cup holder is sturdy. Fits comfortably on the side of the chair. Holds a variety of cup sizes and has a pocket that works for phone or book. Number 3. Strongback Low Gravity Beach Chair. Experience ultimate comfort with our patented ergonomic design. It aligns your posture, easing tension for maximum relaxation. Enjoy the built-in lumbar support and a seat designed for your well-being. Our reinforced frame ensures exceptional stability, even on uneven surfaces like sand or gravel. The extra-wide feet prevent sinking, providing a secure and reliable seating experience wherever you go. With a robust 300 pounds capacity and durable, tear-resistant fabric, this chair is built for longevity. The soft lumbar pad adds an extra layer of comfort, allowing you to relax completely. This lightweight chair is incredibly easy to use and carry. It features convenient armrests, a built-in cup holder, and is perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Take it anywhere with the included backpack-style carry bag. Its durable design ensures it stays in top condition for all your future outings. What we like. Designed for the beach, this low-profile chair features extra-wide feet to prevent sinking in soft sand. Its built-in lumbar support ensures comfort even after hours of relaxation. If you're a beachgoer or enjoy lounging on uneven terrain and need a chair that stays put and supports your back, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Compact, comfortable, quality construction. Great lightweight chair, easy to carry and easy on the back. I have a picky back and find this quite satisfactory. If you are in the market for a low folding chair with good back support, it could be a good fit. Those with knee problems might prefer one of the taller models. It has held up well to about a year of regular use, and I have no complaints. Number 2. Strongback Low Gravity Recliner Beach Chair. Introducing the Strongback Low Gravity Recliner, designed for unparalleled comfort. Its ergonomic design and built-in lumbar support ensure you can relax for hours. This award-winning chair features an ergonomic design that aligns your body posture, easing tension. The special seat prevents leg pinch and aligns hips for maximum comfort. With a reinforced frame and heavy-duty rivets, this chair offers improved stability. Its extra-wide feet prevent sinking, making it perfect for sand, gravel, or mud. Constructed with a durable steel frame, it boasts an impressive 300-pound weight capacity. Sit low to the ground, perfect for enjoying the water's edge. Crafted from high-quality, tear-resistant polyester fabric, it includes a cushioned lumbar pad and durable armrests. Enjoy the convenience of a built-in cup holder. Take it anywhere with the included backpack-style carry bag. It's designed for hands-free carrying, making your trips to the beach or lake effortless. To ensure its longevity, simply rinse after use in sandy environments and store it in its bag. Enjoy lasting comfort and relaxation season after season. What we like. Enjoy a reclined position with this low-gravity beach chair, perfect for ultimate relaxation by the water. The reinforced frame and heavy-duty fabric ensure durability, while the backpack carry bag makes transport effortless. If you're seeking a comfortable, stable, and easy-to-carry chair for beach trips or travel, this model is ideal. What people say. It is excellent for sitting at the beach all day. It is very comfortable and easy to put in a generous carry bag with shoulder straps. With my work-from-home job, I sit a lot and my back always hurt from it, but this chair my back doesn't hurt and is so much more supported. It's easy to set up and fold. It's super comfortable and it's really sturdy. Absolutely perfect for hillside concerts, like the Lawn Ticket Hill at Blossom Music Center in Cleveland, Ohio. With the extended front legs, it keeps you from feeling like you are falling forward on hills that face a concert stage. Also, the chair is very comfortable and gives good lower back support. I was not in pain after a 3-hour concert. Number 1. Strongback Outdoor Director Camping Chair. Experience superior comfort with our award-winning, patented ergonomic design. It naturally aligns your body, easing tension and providing exceptional relaxation. Enjoy targeted lumbar support for your back and a unique seat design that prevents leg pinch. This ensures maximum comfort and proper hip alignment. Our highly adjustable, attached side table folds conveniently. It's perfect for holding your drinks or snacks at any outdoor event. This chair is lightweight and folds easily for transport and storage. No assembly is required, making it ready for anyone to use right away. Despite its lightweight construction, it boasts a heavy-duty frame with a 300-pound capacity. The spacious design and padded armrests offer great comfort. It's ideal for all your outdoor activities, from camping and tailgating to relaxing by the pool. Enjoy your time outdoors with this essential chair. Featuring an improved, patented lumbar support system and stronger rivets, this chair is built for durability and stability. You can rely on it for years to come. What we like. This chair offers the convenience of an attached folding side table, keeping your drinks and snacks within easy reach. Its award-winning ergonomic design provides excellent back support. If you enjoy outdoor events like tailgating or camping and want a comfortable chair with a built-in surface for your essentials, this is a fantastic pick. What people say. They have excellent back support for our aching backs and are the most comfortable outdoor chairs we have ever sat in. The chair is very comfortable, the lumbar support hits directly where it should on my back, the height of the chair is perfect for me, my legs are not dangling like they are in those fold-up chairs. The seat width is generous, which I appreciate. I am not slouched down in the chair, I am able to sit up in a comfy straight position. It is a sturdy, heavy-duty chair, and the base is solid, not legs pieced together with rivets and sitting on plastic discs like your typical fold-up chair. This chair is very comfortable with appropriate back support. It is very sturdy and I can plop into it no problem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.